John here.
And Molly.
Hope you're all having a great day so far. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video.
I'm so excited. We were sent a Japan ramen box.
The Japan Ramen Box is a subscription-based service that delivers Japanese exclusive instant ramen straight from Japan on a monthly basis.
The best thing is that they offer free shipping worldwide.
Okay, enough talking, let's open her up. So we want to just say a big thank you to the team at Japan Ramen Box for sending us this awesome parcel here.
Thank you.
Got some newspaper.
Oh wait, it's Japanese newspaper. How cute.
She thinks she can read Japanese.
We'll read this later.
Recycled.
We'll read this later.
Oh, dear ramen lover, we really appreciate your subscription to our Japan Ramen Box. To see the description of all the ramen for this month, go to this link. Awesome. So the plan is we're gonna start off with the cup ramen. We've got 3 here. We're gonna try them.
And we'll let you know what we think.
Alright guys, so we've got our cup ramen here. I've got the Ipiro ramen.
And I have the chicken broth ramen.
Itadakimasu. Smells good.
Those noodles are really thin.
These noodles look very much like the Ipiro ones. Let's try it. Not too bad. Let's try the broth. There's a slight porkiness to the Ipiro one. Not as porky as the real thing, but what can you expect from an instant packet, right? That being said, really delicious.
The broth is actually really clear and light.
Let's try a piece of this pork. Alright, swapsies. Thank you. Let's try this chicken broth ramen. Some tasty ramen.
This could be more spicy.
You know what we're missing? We're missing some of this stuff. I'm not sure you guys can see, but it's the red pepper mix, the shichimi. There's a dash of that. Gives it a little bit of spice. I love this stuff in my ramen or my udon. Right, I'm gonna go on to the salt one.
Let's share one.
Yeah. It's got corn in here. Let's try this one. Big bite. Okay, so I think that's pretty much done with the cup noodles. Time for the packet noodles. There are 4 of them. Let's get cooking.
Onto our packet ramen. We made up all 4 of them and we're gonna taste test them all right now.
So right here we've got a tonkotsu, we've got a shoyu, a miso, and a shio ramen. So all 4 different kinds of ramen. I'm gonna start off with the tonkotsu. Alright, let's try this version of tonkotsu. So the Ippudo that we had previously, that was tonkotsu as well. This one's a different brand. Let's see how it stacks up. This one here is more reminiscent of a instant ramen type noodle. The Ippudo ones were a lot thinner, a lot straighter. Like these are the ordinary curly ones, I guess.
The wavy noodles. The
wavy noodles, that's the word I was looking for, the wavy noodles. This pack of ramen has a lot of freaking noodles. Look at that.
That's a lot of noodles.
Huge amount of noodles. The broth is really milky. Let's taste it. Porky. You know what these are missing? An egg. One of those really yolky eggs. That would have been amazing. Alright, I'm gonna try the next one. Swapsies.
Ooh, this broth is milky. I think I like this one a lot better than that one. So I'm trying this one.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the next one. Gotta try this guy. So this one here is the shoyu ramen, which is a soy sauce based one.
And I'm going to try this one. This one is a miso based ramen.
This broth's a lot darker. It's a clear broth as well. It's not as milky. It's not milky like the tonkotsu one.
These noodles are thick.
Bottoms up.
It's good broth. So messy.
And that's okay, because in Japan, if you're slurping your noodles, that's actually a sign to the chef that you're really enjoying your stuff. So if anything, it's a compliment to the chef.
So thanks again to the team at Japan Ramen Box. All these ramens are so delicious.
So if you guys are interested in having a mystery box like this with some good ramen, do look in the description box. We'll leave a link there. You guys can have a look yourself on what they offer and what kind of subscription plans are out there. If you guys do decide to subscribe to the Japan Ramen Box, let us know what you guys get. We're really interested in all these types of ramens, and you know, if you had something different to what we had today, please share it with us. Alright guys, thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and
See you next time.
see you guys.